Do you want to know the top 5 things every child should know by age 5? Welcome back to my channel and let's dive in. Basic personal information. By age 5, children should know the names of their parents. They should also know their address and town or city. Parents' phone number should also fall into the basic personal information category. One way to teach this is to create a song that puts their phone number and address to a tune. We all learn the alphabet through a song and it stuck with us forever, right? Using a melody kids already know will help them not only learn but remember the important details. What to do if they get lost? Yes, 5-year-olds should have a sense of danger. However, as parents, we should empower them to identify safe strangers if they get lost or in need of help. If a child gets lost or separated from their parent, they should look for another mommy or daddy with the children and ask them for help. If they cannot spot one, teach them to look for people in uniform, such as police officer or a security guard. The bathing suit rule. This teaches children that certain parts of their bodies are private. It emphasizes that these areas should not be touched or seen by others without permission. Children learn that their bodies belong to them and they have the right to set boundaries. They are encouraged to communicate openly with trusted adults about any concerns. By understanding the rule, children develop an awareness of body autonomy, consent, and recognizing inappropriate behavior. The concept promotes a safe and respectful environment. Your likes would encourage me to post more videos. Thank you. There are no secrets from mom and dad. Anytime a grown-up tells your child that they shouldn't tell their parents, that should set off an alarm in their brain to immediately go and tell mom and dad. Be clear with your kids that nothing is a secret from mom and dad, and anyone who asks them to keep a secret is breaking their family rule. All family members need to be aware of this rule. This means mom cannot take her child on a secret shopping trip that they aren't going to tell dad about. No secrets from mom and dad means no secrets from mom and dad. Call an emergency. Children as young as 5 should know how and when to call emergency number. We cannot assume kids know how to pick up a phone and dial if an emergency arises. The best way to ensure that they know what they are doing is to physically show them how to access into cell phone for an emergency call without having to worry about a passcode or face ID. You should also talk about very simple, clear scenarios in which calling emergencies would be necessary. Use specifics in your examples and talk over potential realistic scenarios, and getting as specific as possible is the best way to ensure the message sticks in their little brains. Do you think today's kids are adequately prepared? Do comment below your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video and want more resources on parenting and child development, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching.